Hello, I want to show you how to create your own pause screen for your game, but first we need to get image and font that is suitable for your game. So we go to website thefont.com, and as you see there's many options for font styles, but also you can type it in. But I'm gonna select Stencil Army, and there is more option. Select as all and 100% free, submit. I gonna look for Spray Me, hit download, double click on it, decompress, view folder, and that's the thing that we're looking for. It's TTF format, so we're gonna install, and now we're gonna copy, and we go to disk C, and we're gonna look for program file, and we're gonna look for Epic Game or Unreal Engine. It depends what version do you have. So we have Epic Game, and there is the version of engine what I'm using, which is 4.5. If you have a different version, that's the folder that you're gonna use. Then we select engine, then we select contain, and then we then slat, and that's where you're gonna install your font. So there you go. And the second thing is the image. So I search for the grand border because they're looking good, and that's the one that we're gonna use it. So basically you're gonna hit save, and save in any folder that you find very easy. And basically that's it for now. Now we have to open Unreal Engine. Alright, there we go. So we launch the engine, and we're gonna open our game, and here in a game folder we're gonna create new folder, and we're gonna call him UI because for user interface. And now we're gonna drag the image that we just downloaded, so we just have to find him. Yeah, that's the one image. Now we got a message from Unreal Engine. Proceed with that. Hit yes, and then right click on it, press save, and now click the right click on empty space, user interface, and create widget blueprint. We just call it game post. And if you create your own widget blueprint, save without the space, and double click on it, and we enter into the editor. So that's the canvas, and that's the root for the canvas. We're gonna select the text box, drag on the canvas, then select it, select the anchor to the center, drag out, type anything that you want, like, so we're gonna type game post. As you see, shows game post, show the name. We're gonna change now the font that I download, so we open the folder with the font, we copy the name, and we're gonna drag here selected the robot bold, and we're gonna remove it, and we're gonna add the font that we wanted. And as you see, the font it changed the style, so now we're gonna increase the size, for example 250. It's looking good. Yeah, we're gonna put in a middle, and we're gonna change color to kind of very dark. You can press the arrow down there to see the code for the color. I'm just looking for some for red color, and we're gonna change to kind of darker. Yeah, I think that'd be good. Press OK. Oh, I forgot, and on the Z order you press 1 because I'd be on the front of the image. And now we drag the image box on the canvas palette, and we're gonna select the icons to the center. Just drag it out. Yeah, it's most basically you have to be the same size of the canvas. And now we try to add the image. Yeah, in the appearance under the brush there is the image, so you have to find image that you put. So it's that image. Yep, and basically that's it. So you now press compare and save, and close the editor. Now we go to the blueprint, open level blueprint, and basically that's the whole code for the blueprint, but I'm gonna show you how create it. So I'm just gonna delete everything and make the new one. As you see, when you open the editor, there's option that say right click to create. So we press right click, we type P, which is our key to pause the game, and then we're gonna press right click and search for create widget. That's the widget that we're gonna use for our screen. And here you have to select the game pause, the name that you given to it. The next one that we're gonna search for it is set cinematic mode. There you go. And if you want, you can take all of them. Most of them they are not necessary. And the next one we add to view portal. And as you see, we can't see anything here, so you have to press the letter tab, and there is. So that's the first part of the code, and we're gonna join them for the moment. Press compare. It shows its error. It have to be that one. Have to be connected. And press compare. It's right. We're just gonna minimize and check if it's working. So press play. Yeah, our character walking. Now I'm gonna press P to check if the power screen working. Yeah, it's working, but I can't access now, so I have to back to editor and do the rest part. So now we're gonna press the right click, and we're gonna search for the X. We have to press the tick on content sensitive, and there is. Now we're gonna press again right click, set cinematic, and then we have to search for remove. Remove from viewport. As you can see, we don't see anything, so again we have to press context sentence, and there is. So we just have to join them for now, and then we have to create variables. So you just right click on them, and then you have new variables. You're gonna choose for the boolean, and we're gonna call post, and we're gonna drag for it, and we're gonna connect the widget blueprint and set to cinematic mode. We're gonna drag again, but this time we're gonna select get, and we're gonna get to cinematic mode, and we have to select the paused there. We select again, drag for this time for X, and we select set, and we're gonna connect the X to set and set to cinematic. Then we're gonna create new variables, and we're gonna change to float, and we're gonna call on post. And first of all, we have to search for compare float. Sorry, compare float. And we have to select context sensitive, and there we go. So we're just gonna press there, and then we're gonna drag one, and we select get, and then we're gonna set for the P. We're gonna connect P result to the green line. Sorry, we're gonna first connect P to extract floor contain, and we're gonna connect on pause to impact, and then we're gonna import to widget, and then we can select P to set. Sorry, it's the one there, my bad. And we're gonna select here to 0. Then we're gonna select the float for X, and it's the set option. We're gonna connect them to 2, and we're gonna change that one to 1. Compare. Oh, my bad, I forgot about one thing. We have to connect the widget to remove from the viewport. Compare and close it. Now we will check if that's work. So yeah, our character is moving, and now if I press P, the game is paused, our character doesn't work. And now if I press X, it's work. And there's one thing that I forgot to mention. Select the text box and drag on a canvas, and just type the information and change color to yellow. Okay. Drag down there, compare, save, and check one more time if it's work. So character moving up, so P, it's working, and then yes, information down on the bottom, just press X. Thank you very much, and make sure to watch other tutorials videos on Online Design Teacher.